Hi, NTeamEN speaking, and today I'm going to try to quickly make a video because I don't have that much time. So today we are going to answer a question asked by the Facebook page Science Physique. Hi, your videos are really cool. By the way, I have a question. Why is everything that we find in the universe round and not flattened by centrifugal force? Have a nice one. We are going to see why the round shape, or rather spherical shape, is very common in the universe. So let's get started. First, why is the Earth spherical? Well, the Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. It appeared just after the birth of our Sun. Some of the matter that was still hot accumulated thanks to gravity, and it formed the Earth. Now we gotta keep in mind that the Earth was very hot. The Earth was very malleable. It was basically like a huge ball of lava, and with that, gravity basically formed a sphere, because it attracted every part of the Earth equally. For example, if it attracted less the north side, well, the north side would extend more. So that's obviously when you only take into account gravity. If you take into account all the forces like the angular momentum of the Earth, then it would be slightly larger at the equator. The radius from the center of the Earth to the equator is about 20 kilometers longer than the radius from the center of the Earth to the poles. When you know that the Earth is about 12,000 kilometers in diameter, we could think that the angular momentum doesn't really have an effect on the shape of the Earth, right? Well, actually no, it does have an effect. And believe it or not, it actually helps the planet become a sphere. We can take the example of our imaginary planet that attracts less on the northern hemisphere. Well, the rotation of the planet on itself will make it more spherical. And with time, the planet is gonna cool down and keep this shape. Also, I've just put the north down because I wonder what it is to be upside down. Yes, this is a teaser. So yeah, it's basically the same thing for stars. Gravity does the job of making them round. Now, do you know why water droplets are round? Indeed, the popular belief that water droplets resemble tears is totally wrong. Actually, drops of water are more or less round. It mainly depends on their size. Okay, so to make things simple, below 2 millimeters in diameter, drops of water are very spherical. And the bigger they get, the more the bottom of the drop will flatten until it becomes a curve. When it becomes bigger than 6 millimeters in diameter, the droplet can't hold itself together anymore, and it is going to shatter into multiple smaller drops. So the size of the droplets is limited by the air that destroys the ones that are too big. But that doesn't answer the question, why are they round in the first place? Well, that, my friends, is due to surface tension. But what is it exactly? Well, I'm gonna try to simplify that a lot, because honestly it's very complicated and it frankly deserves its own video. So I'm gonna give myself 30 seconds to hugely simplify it and explain to you what is surface tension. 3, 2, 1, go. That is also a teaser, don't worry. Water is a polar molecule, which means that it has both a positive and negative charge. Since opposite charges attract each other, water molecules have a tendency to get together and arrange themselves so that positive charges are next to the negative ones and vice versa, which makes water clump up in small packs. The force that creates these small packs is called the cohesive force. Molecules are held together by the fact that the surface of a liquid has more cohesive force than its center. So that's basically water tension, the tendency of a liquid to have a stronger force on its surface. Did we make it in time? Yes. And since surface tension is looking to have the smallest possible surface for any given volume, naturally, what would be the shape that allows it to do just that? If you guessed a sphere, well, congratulations, because you are a fucking genius. And that is basically why water droplets are round. So sadly, we have to stop now because I don't have time to finish this video, but there will be a part 2. So yeah, I really hope that you liked this video, and if it was the case, well, please consider clicking on the like button, and please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you whenever I can.